Hello, my name is Nana Ama Inkunim Safwa from Ghana. I'm a newbie into Forex trading. So my journey into Forex started when I went for a Forex Expo, which was recently organized in my country. After the expo, how to get started as a beginner was a challenge for me because there are so many information on the internet. But a friend I met there sent me a link to Sad Ali's Forex for Beginners, and it has really helped me throughout my journey in Forex. So Sad Ali has put together the most relevant concepts that you need to start your journey and throughout your journey into a course you can complete within a month or two. Within the course, he explains it very well. He introduces you to your meta traders, what you need to know, all the icons on your meta traders. He introduces you to the number one tool that you need as a trader. That is the TradingView, and simply because you are his student, you get access to a link that gives you 1 month free subscription on TradingView, and even he recommends a particular package for you. He has made the course so simple, so something that you can easily understand as he explains. He introduces you to the various technical tools that you need as a trader. Talk of your Fibonacci retracement, talk of your channels, talk of your indicators, and how to use them. Okay, throughout the course, he introduces you to the market structures, what it is, the various price actions, various candlestick patterns, what they mean, and everything that he thinks you need to do this. I don't know what more you want, but the course has been so helpful to me as a beginner. Even as at now, after a signal, I'm able to go to my chart to analyze and see whether it falls within what I'm expecting before I pick a trade. Thank you so much, Saad Ali. Did I tell you the course is free? Yes, it is absolutely free. And throughout your learning, he's not leaving you on your own. He has an active Facebook group that he encourages you to be posting your charts on the group. Himself and the students there comment on your chart. Saad Ali makes sure he attends to every chart. Okay, he marks up your chart, tells you where you went wrong, and still on standby for every follow-up questions. All this for free. I encourage you to take advantage of this course and build up your passion or career in Forex trading. Whether you're a beginner, whether you're already into it but facing some challenges, I recommend this course for you. Thank you so much, Saad Ali. Thank you for impacting on our lives. I'm very grateful for this course and I encourage everyone to join. See you at the top. Cheers.